Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I will be talking to our brothers who sleep with pregnant women or because of money. My brothers, if you are watching me, it's very bad for you to sleep for you to sleep with a woman that you know that the woman is not your wife. Is very bad. And it's very bad to sleep with a pregnant woman when you know that the baby doesn't belong to you. Is very bad because your life is in danger. You are destroying your life and you are destroying your future. Please do not let any woman pressurize you or the name of say money or the name of say you are looking for document. Those things are material things. Bible says vanity upon vanity or is vanity. Do not destroy your life. Do not sin against God. Do not destroy your future or the name of money. Please, you stop sleeping with pregnant women. For instance, let me tell you and let me ask you. The woman you are sleeping with baby inside her stomach, if the woman is your wife and you hear that another boy or the name of because of say the woman and her husband having misunderstanding or they are not in a good terms or they are being separated, you hear that another boy or another guy sleeping with her when the woman still having a baby in her stomach, what will you feel, my brother? Please stop destroying yourself. Stop destroying your life. It's very bad for you sleeping with a pregnant woman. You know that the woman is not your wife. It's very bad, my brother. It destroys life. If you don't know, it destroys your future. Don't let the woman confuse you. Don't let the woman talk here and there. Or because of say, I want to give you document. Or I want to give you money. Or because of say, you don't have a place that you don't have anywhere to sleep in. The woman will put you in house and you will be pressurizing you that you should sleep with her, or because of say she nixes as a pregnant woman. Please, my brother, don't do it. If you want a urge from her, let her go back to her husband, or he will stay until he deliver that baby. Please. Or even though you like the woman or you love the woman and you want to marry the woman, please, my brother, let that woman deliver first before you started sleeping with the woman. It's very bad for you as a man, for you as a guy, sleeping with another man's wife. When you know that the woman have a baby on her stomach, the woman is pregnant, it's very bad. It destroys your life. Don't let the woman confuse you, because the woman know that you are destroying your life. You are destroying your life vividly. He will not tell you because he know what he wants. He will not tell you because he wants you by all means. He will not tell you that you are destroying your life because he wants you by all means. My brother, stay away for another man's wife. Stay away for a woman that is pregnant, that you know that is not your wife. If it is your wife, it's good. But if it is not your wife, it's very bad. The Bible condemns it. And human specifically condemn it too. It's very bad for you as a guy to sleep with a woman that you know that is not your wife. A woman that is pregnant that you know that is not your wife. It's very bad, my brother, for you to sleep with that woman. It's very bad. Don't let them deceive you because of money. Don't let them deceive you because you don't have somewhere sleeping. You don't have somewhere to stay. Or the name of say you want to be sleeping in house. You started sleeping with her. Please, my brother, do away with any pregnant woman that you know that is not your wife. Please, my brother, it destroy your future. Look about your future. Look about your life. Don't think about the pressure over the sex, Don't think about the pressure over it. But think about your life. Think about God that created you. Is it very good for me to be doing this? First of all, ask yourself, no matter how bad you are, brother, if you want to do a thing that you know that is not good in the sight of God and the sight of man, your mind must judge you no matter what. Even Satan himself. If you want to do something, the man must judge him or her before he do all those things. Likewise, you. Please, my brother, stay away for any pregnant woman that you know that is not your wife. It destroy your life. It destroy your future. It destroy everything you lay your hand in because it's very bad. It's not a good thing, my brother. Please, my brother, stop sleeping with the pregnant women all over the world, all over the Europe. It's happened. Some women will drive their husband away when you know that he is not in a good condition. And after driving his husband away, he started looking for a guy that will be sleeping with her. Or the name of say he need the Hajj. Please, my brother, don't let any woman deceive you because of money. And you started sleeping with that woman when you know the woman having a baby on her stomach. Please, don't let them deceive you because you are endangering your life, you are destroying your life. Please, my brother, if you come across my video, please subscribe, share, give a comment whenever I'm online, that they may notify you. God bless you as you listen to my message.